Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be comparing two single to double strollers, the Bugaboo Donkey 3 and the Nuna DEMI Grow, and let's start talking about what they have in common. Both strollers have telescoping handlebars with leather accenting for grip. Each stroller has an extendable sun canopy with a peekaboo window. Each of the seat units recline and can face forward or backward. Both seats have a weight capacity of 50 pounds as well as a no rethread harness to make adjustments easy. Both strollers have all-wheel suspension with foam-filled tires. The front wheels are lockable. The Donkey 3's wheels are bigger, 12 inches in back and 10 inches in front. Now let's go over some of the main differences. The DEMI Grow seat canopy has a zip-out dream drape for extra coverage. The seat fabric can zip off to mesh for warmer days, so it's great for all seasons. Two other bonus features are the magnetic buckle and the adjustable footrest. Both strollers have storage baskets underneath the seats, but the DEMI Grow's basket is much larger. To make up for this, the Donkey 3 comes with a separate small bag that attaches beside the seat in mono mode. These strollers have different designs for double mode. The Donkey 3's frame expands to the side for you to fit a bassinet or a second seat beside the other. The DEMI Grow has a built-in adapter inside the basket for you to attach a second seat, so in double mode, the seats are stacked on top of each other. As a result, you lose some of your basket space. With both of these configurations in mind, it's important to talk about what comes in each of the single stroller packages. The Bugaboo Donkey 3 comes with a stroller frame, the side luggage bag, a piece of seat fabric, a piece of bassinet fabric, and then a single frame for one of those pieces to fit on. If you want to make it a double, whether with two bassinets or two seats, you need to buy a second seat frame with the corresponding fabric. The Nuna DEMI Grow comes with the stroller frame, the main seat, a car seat ring adapter, car seat post adapters, fenders, and a rain cover. All accessories for double and twin modes, like a second seat, are sold separately. That being said, if you have a compatible car seat already, you can attach it with the seat unit on bottom. To fold the Bugaboo Donkey 3, first you'll need to take off the basket and the seat by pushing those white buttons on each side. Flip out the white tabs on each side of the handlebar and push it all the way back down, then relock the tabs. Below that, there are two white triggers with a black button in the middle. Push the black buttons and then pull up on the triggers to allow the frame to fold. If you want it to fold smaller, you can also remove the wheels. To fold the DEMI Grow, make sure to remove the second seat if you have one attached and make sure the front wheels are unlocked. Lock the stroller and then pull up on the triggers on either side of the handlebar to engage the fold. Fold it until the auto lock clicks and the DEMI Grow will stand up on its own. It has a carrying handle on the top for easy transport. As you can see, the DEMI Grow has more convenient folds since you don't have to remove the seat. Overall, the Bugaboo Donkey 3 and the Nuna DEMI Grow are both really great options for strollers. They're just a little bit different in design. It just depends if you want a side-by-side stroller or a stacked one. Thanks for watching. You can shop either of these strollers on babycubby.com, where any order over $25 ships for free. To learn more about the Bugaboo Donkey 3, you can check out this video, and to learn more about the Nuna DEMI Grow, you can click on this video. Like and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next time.